welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and you're back on the Rush from More Reviews channel. Yes, we're in Portmore. We're driving from Nagohead to Bayside via Port Henderson Road. We're taking a look at the Port Henderson Road project that was developed at a cost of a whopping 249 million Jamaican dollar. So that's the project we'll be taking a look on today. So it's the Port Henderson Road Improvement Project, and we're back in Portmore. As usual, if you're new to the channel, if you're still seeing where that subscribe button is red, just click on it, turn it gray. Also turn on your post notification bell as well, so once I do an upload, you'll be notified. So this is where the project starts. This was previously one lane. Work is still ongoing, not yet finished, but it's very close to completion. So it's Nagohead, which is a part of the project, and it goes out to the Bayside area. So just driving around, showing you guys what's happening. Remember to leave a comment. Remember to like the video and share as well, so that more persons can see. So I think right here didn't have a stoplight before. It was just like a roundabout intersection, but now they have put traffic signals to help manage the flow of the traffic. Now we're heading to Bayside direction. This is now 4 lanes instead of 2 lanes. So leave your thoughts, guys. Let me know what you think about this project. The Port Henderson Road Improvement Project, 249 mil. One thing I like though is the colored brick that they use for the walking in the middle aisle. Usually the island in the middle usually would have been just like, you know, normal concrete color. I like the fact that they put a little color on it. We see some work happening here. Looks like some repaving for somewhere that they dug up. What I'm gonna do is just to pull over a little bit and just show you guys a little bit around in terms of this section, and then we drive closer to the Bayside area. Alright, so these minor road where these plaza are at need some of the improvement as well. They're very bad, but no one is paying attention because they're minor road and they're not on the main. So as I mentioned, we're gonna pull over and just take a quick look around. I did a previous video on this project. I'll also link it in the description and in the comments as well. Guys, this road is super rocky. Feel like I'm in a roller coaster. So what we're gonna do, there's a new plaza being built as well. So that's gonna show you guys a little bit of it. Not a very, it's very long, but it's just a regular plaza that they're adding to this area. Some food shops around the back, some restaurants, go-kart as well. I think they have a go-kart area around here. So around this side is a little bit less organized in terms of the development. You have a little thing here, a little thing there. Let me just show you guys a little bit of it so you can see. So this is how around here looks. Still a lot of space. Again, the road is super bad. And then a little plaza here and a little plaza there. Beauty salons, stuff like that. So it just needs some organization. So I'm gonna show you guys the plaza that's being developed. So that's the plaza in front of us. As I mentioned, it's a bit long, not wide. I'm gonna try to show you the other side as well. And then after this we go back out to Port Henderson to finish the drive to the Bayside area. I'm sure you guys are feeling the bump with me. Alright, so in terms of these parcels of land, I don't know if they're even registered, because everywhere you see a different separate building being built up. So I'm not sure if they're regulated or persons just take up a little piece, build up something, take a little piece, build up something. I don't know, but this will be a big plaza in terms of capacity. It's 2 floors, so I guess we'll have multiple shops, and it's just very long, very horizontal, just to fit the space of land that was available. They seem to be doing some concrete pouring today as well. Alright, not sure of the name of it yet, but that's the plaza being developed. Alright, so let's go back out on the main. So right out here was a roundabout, so they've turned it into an intersection, and again we see that red brick being used throughout this Port Henderson road improvement project. So now it's a traffic signal that's here, which leads to Bayside, which leads to what they call popularly known as Back Road. So that's where it leads to. Alright guys, so as usual, thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Remember to leave a like, leave a comment, and thanks for the continued support as well. And again, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and thanks for being a part of the Rush for More Reviews.